And you guys probably think I'm crazy for trying to sell you a window unit. Sure, while it may be a cheap window unit being sold on the TikTok shop, it's not just that. This is a 5,000 BTU window unit. It has been running non-stop in our home since I bought it a few months ago. It's literally nothing fancy. It's just a cheap window unit. It's got a built-in filter, of course, just like all of them do. You've got your analog knobs. There's nothing digital about this, so it's extremely simple, which means less parts to break.